Hi everyone, here's Nat from Noveluz, and today I'm going to be showing a little bit more about how to work with Showit. So if you're a beginner on Showit, I'm going to be showing the right side of how to edit your page. So let's start with the page info. This is the first thing that you're going to see here, right next to preview and publish. So basically, here's a way to edit the page name and also the canvas set if you are on it. So let's say here right now I am on the home page. So here I can change the page name. And that's also important for SEO, as I mentioned before, especially because this is going to be the way that is going to appear in the URL of someone that is searching for it. Um, here is also a way to change the page background, and the same thing applies for any section that you click on. So for example, I'm going to click on this first section here, and then now I can change the canvas background, and if everything changes according to what section I'm clicking on. So here I'm in the first section, that is the hero section. Always name your sections, never forget about that. And here I can change the name, I can change the orders, the type of the canvas. It can be a different height, or you can go with the content. So that's also very important. For example, if you want it to be sticky, if you want to create a navigation bar on top instead of the one that I have right now, that I'm also going to show how to do later. So if you want to have a navigation bar that stays here when you scroll down or scroll up, you can just put it to be sticky to top. Or if you want to put it sticky to bottom, anything that you want to be in the bottom, and then you scroll back or down and it's going to be there, is also here. And that is going to be according to your canvas section. Also the background, you can change the background color here, and if you want to have a media like an image or video instead of a color, it's also possible to do it here. You can have a gradient, and you can even put the percentage of the color. So for example, or also image or video, if you want to have an image that is going to appear only 40%, 30%, so it's a little bit easier to read the text that you're going to put on top, you can do it here. Animation is going to be, there's a lot of different types of animation. Like if you want something to appear when you put the canvas in, or when you go out from the canvas, you can do some animation here. That's also very important. But animation is better to do when you're talking about buttons or anything that you want to pop or to mark. For example, here I just click on this button and I can just edit the style, the size, the position, and then we go to transitions. So the animation would be the transition here, and then we can choose the transition, what's going to happen to the button when they appear. So I put it to fade with like 0.5 seconds, with a little bit of delay as well, and that is going to happen when we are looking at the page. So we can have also, coming back to the whole section, we can do transitions, and we can have some scroll actions. And now talking about the specifically for the small. Que estranho. Hi everyone. Ai, tá rodando. Okay, so now talking about other things that you can add on your pages. So let's say that you want to add text. You go to the T over here and you can add the title, heading, subheading, or paragraphs, and then you can organize the way you like. Also, if you want to add anything like an image, a video, a gallery, or even an embed code that would come from a different website or a different software that you have, it's going to be here in this frame. Also, if you want to add anything like icons is very interesting. So you can just put the icon here and you can choose whatever icon you would like to have. So for example, if you want an arrow, and you can have transitions on the icon if you want it to bounce, to rotate, to flip, that's very important. So yeah, and if you want to add text, you can come over here. If you want to add anything specific like an icon, an arrow, or anything like that is going to be here. And the media library is over here. If you have any questions or anything you need to ask for solve technical issues, you can go over here and you can ask questions to someone from Showit. And that's very good as well. And that's pretty much it. So thank you so much. And I hope you enjoyed the video. Bye bye.